Today I am elaborate my task given by the Sobit sir. So this is a task, and here we are using the Terraform for the infrastructure as a code. Terraform in it we need to download the modules needed here. So here I'm doing this. So I successfully downloaded the whole modules that are used by the AWS. So now I am giving my main.tf here to build my infrastructure. So Terraform apply. So it will apply, it will plan all the things. So we need to check the things that we are going to architect here. So these all are all the things. So we have to give the yes to make the whole infrastructure. So usually it asks the permissions. So we can also give the flag that is auto approve. We will be showing you in future the commands. So right now I am having only the Ansible. So there is only Ansible in the N Virginia. N Virginia is in US East one. So right now I got one instance here that is food wipe, and it is initializing here, and yes, it is connected, and my playbooks are running there. Here you can see, and this is the IP dynamically. It is taking the IP here, running the shell commands. That is downloading the Nginx and the Docker. Yeah, it takes some time to download. Okay, yes, downloaded the packages. Now downloading the yum configuration, and now dependencies for the Dockerpy, and replacing the Nginx file, and services, enable the services, Docker container. So launching the Docker containers here. We have a app1 and app2 containers here. So it is launching and deploying. It will take some time. Yes, it successfully the launched the containers, and we get the IP here. So we have a one problem. One of my tasks is just failed. That is a handler service of Nginx. It is just failed, and might be we are not able to see our site. Might be, or we can. So in the port number 80. Yeah, we are getting our site hello world in the port number 80, and next we have port number 8080, and here we also see the site that is running. Yeah, so all the thing is automated, and we have a Jenkins here for any updates. We just launched in the Mumbai region Jenkins. So this is a Jenkins, and we have a dashboard here. So what it do here. If anything is changes in the repo in the Docker Hub, and this is a whole code that I am using right now in the infrastructure as a code that I had run, and where it is images in the Docker Hub. So Docker Hub, we have our images there. So I will show you. This is a repository food vibe, and we have our two containers, two images for the containers. Like we have application 2, application 1, and whenever it changes, when the developer changes any code in the GitHub, so I am showing you the GitHub also, where the Docker files are written and the code is updated there. So app 2 and Node.js application. So these are the two repo. This is for application 1 and this is for the application 2, and these both codes are same, right? So we have a 3000 port opening here. This is 3000, and I just uh, and attached to the port number 80 and the 8080. Two ports I attached for the two applications individually, can say. So these are the code for the Docker file. So whenever the code changes in the Docker file or in the repo, so it will automatically detect by the Jenkins here. So automatically detected by the Jenkins here. So what it do? So Jenkins what it do? So I will show you what it does here. So here the successful job here. So I will show the output what it does here. So it will just build the image and push to the Docker repository. Yeah, and push to the Docker repository. This, and after it, I just added one one thing here in the job, but not run yet. Whenever the developer changes the code, it will automatically goes to the Ansible server, and it will do the redeployment of the older containers. So it will make the new containers from the new container image. So the whole thing is demonstrated, and the whole infra is of no use now. So what to do? So I need to destroy all the things here. So in a one click I can destroy all the thing that I made here. So here is my terminal. So I can, what should I write here? So Terraform applies for the applying and building the changes in the infra. And now I want to destroy the thing. Destroy, and one option we can give here, auto. So it will not prompt us to give a yes or no things. So we can auto approve option we can give here, and it will destroy all the thing that it made. So the whole thing is going to be deleted now. It will take some time, minimum 2 minutes I think it will take. Yeah, we destroy all the 11 things that we implemented here. So that's all from my side. Thank you.